Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can view your activity on Instagram. Go to your profile page here and select the three lines on the top corner, like on the top right corner of your screen. Then you are going to select your activity. Here you can view the time spent, photos and videos, even the ones you've deleted. I think interactions, account history, recent searches, link history, archive, recently deleted, and even the download. You can download your information. So I don't use this account a lot, so if I go to time spent, it'll be like 0 minutes. And for instance, like account history, there's also like recent searches as well. I have none. And there's also link history and archived, recently deleted here, but I don't have any because I don't use this account. I use this to like record stuff. But yeah, I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!